bedroom, large spacious windows, plenty of light. And boom, there you go. You have another walk-in closet. So both bedrooms are very similar size. Both feature the walk-in closet, as I mentioned. Perfect for any kind of roommate situation. No one is going to feel like they're getting shorted. Perfect for families as well. Feel free to book your next appointment at Stetson Square with the phone number and email address provided in the link attached to this video. We hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.